Engine 1-0 to Manhattan.
Engine 1, okay.
It appears an airplane crashed into the World Trade Center. You have a second plane into the other tower of the Trade Center.
Car 4 David, Marine 6 advising a second plane into the World Trade Center, okay.
Marine 6, that's the other tower.
That's the second tower of the World Trade Center, okay.
Calling car 4 David, Ken.
Okay.
Calling car 4 David.
Call 4 David, Manhattan.
Be advised, you're with a second plane that crashed into the second tower. Be advised, on the 83rd floor, room 8311, we have people trapped. Room 8311, 83rd floor. Call 4 David, acknowledge.
Call 4 David, 10-4.